Oh yeah, not bad, not bad. Oh, it got off. I remember putting those nights in.
Oh, baby, Joel. What time is it? Yes.
Welcome back to another episode, guys. We're down the port with old Matthew Hyde, the big rig himself. Yeah, big puppy. And nothing specific today. If we can catch a fish, we'll catch a fish. If it's catty, it's not safe. So stick around, guys, and crack a cold one. Let's get into it, eh? Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy.
I reckon the
star. Oh yeah, good school of Jew just there.
I reckon the
42. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's a mega school of Jew. That is a mega school of Jewy or snapper or something just there. It's a big school of Jewies by the looks of that. Not huge. We'll have a crack. Alright, let's get back over the top of them. It's like a Junado. Stood up at the wrong time. I'm just gonna change our position. Roughly know where they are, but it'll be easier if we're just casting straight up current. So might be better. Because casting across the current was getting a lot of drag, so we just changed the angle. Oh, yep. Jewy or a snapper. Jewy, good Jewy. Just on that drop too. Big school of them. Try and get him up as quick as I can in case there's a shark. Oh, hopefully that swell doesn't come through. Pretty sure it's either a Jew or a squire. Jew. There we go. Oofed. All right. So that's what we were. That's what we were sitting on. Absolutely pumped in. Just have you got lip grippers there anyway? Whew. All right. Here's going to be hell green. First fish for the morning. We come up. We've seen a good school of what looked to be Jew. So just a case of trying to work out how to get the lure down to them. So I changed back a little bit from where we were originally sitting. Whew, yeah, I need a breath. Pumped up. That was a good hit too. Yeah, we just changed back from where we were originally sitting, just because there was too much drag and belly in the line with that current. So 3/4 ounce jig head. It's got that Molluck's RT shad right down the gob. Molluck's RT shad right in the gob. I'm going to take this guy home for a feed. I'm not going to throw him back. I've pulled him up way too quick. How good's that? How good that? How good that? Yeah, so we'll get this in the icebox and get down for another one. Oh. After hooking one Jew or catching a Jew out of the school can sometimes move, distribute, or just altogether disappear. So we chased the school around for a little while. However, after a few attempts, we gave up and we soon changed options, deciding to go for a drift and hopefully pick up a snapper. Oh, flatty. Yeah, right, eh? Come on board, mate. Join the club. Alright, alright, alright. Little flatty. He can go though, not enough flatties. Too hard to fill it. No! Busted. Busted me custard. Alright, you keep going. Got me good. That's because I didn't have the other camera going. That's what happens when it's rocky like that, but bound to happen. Yeah, around the using £30. It was a good eat, but I think it was already sort of on the bottom a little bit. That good old movie, something's got to give. Oh, UV metallic black orange. That's quite a mouthful. Not as big a mouthful as Maddie's soft plastic. Oh, that didn't come much straighter than that. Freshly tied jig head and plastic. I've had a bit of mojo. It's gone, so I've got to reset it. Get new fish. Try not to get busted this time. Hey, he's into it. Go, son. Yeah, Matty. Woo. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, it's a trevally. Yeah, Trevi. Where's the dog in? Go, son. Death bait. Was it? Yeah, death bait. Death bait for the win. Now, that's actually a $1.20 GT. It's just that Maddie makes it look small. There you go.
Grumpy boy.
It's not bad, it's not bad. Another fish on the bucket, in the bucket. Not that we want one, but as in, I said that poorly. He's going back either way. It just meant another fish ticked off the list, another species. There's a bee. Cool, let's get back in there. Get back in there, boy. Yummy. So Maddie's just been out to the adult store. He's got himself, I don't know, what would you call that? It's something for his and her.
I don't know, it feels pretty good though.
Yeah, but
I've got half the bar, you've got the other half.
oh yeah. No. Dropped him. Why is it that like people don't know where channel markers are? Yeah, head back. What's he doing?
Looks like a pretty new motor.
It does, yeah. But have you seen him at the survey getting bait and stuff? Yeah, I just like to soak pillies up the river. That would have been another snapper too that I dropped. Because the way it crunched it and you could feel the teeth rubbing on the hook when it spat it. Oh, yep. Well, that's a good little snap, I think. Oh, yeah, not bad, not bad. Oh, yeah, good little squirey. Oh, it got off. Damn. That sucks. A good little squire, that one. Absolutely cracked it. Yeah, we're recording for it.
What do you see on the sound here? Is that what we hear?
Oh yeah, there's a lot of people come through here and do pretty good on fish. Good little squire. Oh, another one. I'll try and spot lock us. Very next drop, eh? Oh, he's a good squire, this one. Is that remote behind you there? Just hit the anchor button on it. Let's try it. Oh. Oh. Holy dooly, man. That is a cracking snap. That's a snapper almost.
That is a snap.
That's sick. Oh, there's a super unco.
Oh man, that's a ripper.
That's a snapper of a cracker snapper. Very next cast as well. Yep, that's all good. Oh, jeez. That's a cracking snapper. Have a go at that one, guys. How would you be? Have a go at that. Last of the run out tide. We just come up on the rocky shoals there. And have a go at it. She's a good snapper on that RT shad, on the fork flex. Windy as all hell, but I think we're onto them, eh? Could be in for a good session. That's nice. It's a solid one. Windy as balls here too, so.
Good fight too.
Yeah, it's proper good scrap. That's a good snapper. Damn good snapper. Now, we're gonna go cutting him up. I mean, look at that. That is like something you'd go out in the bay for, eh? That's a good snap. Best one on the river so far. Well, that was the only snapper we actually managed to land for the day. I know, tragic. Alright guys, back home after that session with Maddie. It was a good day. Stay tuned for some of the filleting. If I don't put filleting in, thank you guys for watching. 80-20. Fishing's 80% luck, 20% skill. I'll see you in the next one. Okay guys, see ya.